morning, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful morning and a blessed day and a blessed weekend. Today is a very dreary, depressing weather day. So it's raining on and off. It's chilly for the most part. Cloudy. Had a little bit of sun early this morning, and that pretty much went away. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fertilize our Texas sweet onions. They're doing okay. It's been about 2 weeks. They're not looking grand, but give them some time to pump them up with some triple 13, and I have some calcium nitrate we're gonna put on them. That's good for the plant cellular structure. So I like to add that to all my plants, really. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull some of that cauliflower, or probably all of it. I gotta go look again. We got some of the purple moon that's ready, definitely, and the rest of those clementine cauliflower. And we'll get those ready for some more fermenting and put some in the freezer. So I'll see y'all outside. Okay, guys, we got that done. I've been going in between the rain, and it's kind of starting and stopping, but I feel like the temperature's dropping. It has been a cold week, but everything has been fine, you know, making it well. And as you can see, the potatoes are doing good. I just covered them up. Just hopefully we don't get no really freezing weather for an extended period of time. I think we'll be all right. So, excuse me. Let's go ahead and cut this one down. Now I'm not gonna pull the root up right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off. There's one. Nice, really nice. I know the camera doesn't justify the size of it, but all I do is just break all this off. All that's gonna go to the chickens. Last time I picked some, you gotta make sure you clean them, kind of wash them, pre-wash them outside, because down in that cavity down in here that I'm gonna show you, I think I've had more stink bugs in the fall than I've ever seen in the summer, and I mean that. And they are on everything. They're not really destroying nothing. They're just kind of hanging out. You know, I don't really know what's up with that. But they'll go, when I went to wash them, they go inside this cavity in here and just hide in there. And I didn't catch it till I was in the house washing them, because you know they're not dirty, so it's like I'm gonna just bring them in the house. And I went to wash them. I put them on the counter, and then I turned my back for a few minutes. Come back, and they were coming out of there. And I must have had 10 of them things in there. But yeah, you wanna kind of wash that outside. Make sure you get the bugs out. If not, you could be bug chasing in the house. So there's one. Should have brought my wheelbarrow, but I'm gonna have to come back and pick all this up so we can give it to the chickens. They like that. They don't like it right away. They kind of run from it. They're scared of it. But if I leave them be for a little while, they'll come out and be a little curious about it. And within a day or two, that is gone. They done devoured all of it. There's some big leaves, and like I told y'all, if you saw my video whenever I first started, when I planted these and I went to put them in the ground, I told y'all I was gonna make some massive plants. That wasn't no lie. All right. There's another one. All right, guys. I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Let me get the other two up. Okay, y'all, got the other four out. This is the smallest one I got. That's probably about the size you're gonna find in the store anyway. You ain't gonna find no big ones. I mean, you might go to your local farmers markets, anything local. Probably find some nice cauliflower. But I prefer my own. Definitely, I prefer my own of everything. Technically, if I have a choice. So. Go ahead and put these aside for a little minute. We'll get them washed up. But I want to show y'all these purple moon when we come back. All right, guys, here we are at the purple moon bed, and it's starting to rain, starting to pick up. So see if I can at least show you one of these, and I'm gonna come back and pull the rest without so that way my camera don't get wet. do it the same way, just cut it off at the root. You can see that. And clean it up. And like I told you, I had them stink bugs hiding in there, so I had to make sure I get them all out here. I want that crawling around in my house. Yeah. Okay, guys. Beautiful color. And they're really good. They have a flavor like no other. It's not like that more boring white cauliflowers that everybody's used to, you know. It's really easy to grow, guys. Really easy. Simple. Everything is grown from seed. I buy no plants. I do everything from seed here. So, very pretty. So, let me go ahead and finish picking this up before it starts pouring down on me. I'll bring y'all back in a bit. Okay, I got it done. I had one purple moon that it wasn't quite ready yet, so I left it out. I went ahead and picked everything else. Everything looked good. And kind of washed it outside. I'm gonna let them drain for a little while, then I'll wash them in here and start getting them prepped up. But you see, that's some nice heads. So hopefully all the stink bugs out of here, but if not, I'll no, actually I got one in there, right there, two in there. I'll just let them start crawling out, then I'll pick them out and get them out of here. And I mean, I shot the holes in there like crazy, and they was holding on for dear life, I guess. Another one of the blue moons. Oh, purple moon. I keep wanting to say blue moon. Purple moon. This one was kind of small, but you can dictate how kind of when it's ready or what kind of size you're gonna actually get to the size of your stem. You see, well, this one doesn't justify it, but not technically toward the head, but toward the stem that's in. I should have showed y'all that, but toward the stem, that's the part with the roots at in the ground. But you can see dictate the size. You know, like that one had a little stalk like that. That made this head. And this bigger one right here, the stalk toward the ground was like that big. So, you know, that gave me a bigger head. So that kind of give you an idea. If you don't really know, you know, kind of help you dictate when you're going to go ahead and pull them. Or like I said in one of my other videos, just you want to pick them before the head's going to start, the flower is going to start splitting apart. So as these start, these are, this is full of flowers. It's a cauliflower. If you leave it long enough, it's going to start, you know, it's going to start to bolt on you. It's going to make flowers, seed, like any other plant would. Just like broccoli. You want to pick that. I probably only got one or two good broccolis. I didn't do great on the broccoli. I normally don't try too hard neither, because I know if I get anything in the 20s, this right here will make it in the 20-degree weather. I did it in 17 degrees. They made it. So broccoli will not. It will burn that broccoli up like you just threw it in the oven, and it'll be shot. So look at that, y'all. It's stink bug right there. Yeah. See what I mean? They just start coming out of there, boy. So, well, guess that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's crappy weather. It ain't, you know, my preferred weather, but I'm gonna go ahead and let the Lord rain everything down, get all that fertilizer down into the ground that we just went put out there, get them plants to start sucking it up, and get them onions going and potatoes rolling. So like I said, hopefully we don't get no freezes and mess up my little potato experiment. But okay, well, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Y'all take care. God bless. I will see you later.